Are you tired of your computer running slow and lagging behind when you have multiple applications running? Well, the solution may be closer than you think. In today's video, I will be diving into the world of computer RAM and how it can dramatically improve your computer's performance. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about one of the most important components of your computer, RAM, or Random Access Memory. RAM plays a crucial role in how your computer works and performs. So, it is important to understand how it works and its importance in computer system. First, let's start to see what RAM is all about. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is a type of computer memory that is used to temporarily store data that the computer is actively using. Think of it like a temporary workspace where the computer can access information quickly and efficiently. RAM is different from your computer storage, such as hard disk drives, SSDs, and other storage devices, as they are used to store data permanently. RAM is a volatile memory, which means whenever the computer has turned off or lose power, all the data stored on the RAM is lost. This is why you need to save your work before turning off your computer. Otherwise, you will lose everything that was stored in the RAM. So, how does RAM work? When you turn on your computer, the operating system and applications are loaded in the RAM. This allows the computer to access the data and information quickly, without constantly read and write to the lower storage devices. The more RAM you have, the more data that the computer can store and access quickly. The RAM works by using small electronic components called capacitors and transistors to store and manipulate data. Each capacitor stores a single bit of data, which can either be a 0 or 1. The transistors is used to read and write data to the capacitors. The data stored in the RAM is organized into small units called memory cells, which are typically 8 bits or 1 byte in size. Each memory cell has the unique address that the computer can use to access the data in it. The address is like a map that tells the computer where to find the data. When the computer needs to access the data from the RAM, it sends a request to the memory controller, which is a chip that manages the flow of data between the CPU and RAM. The memory controller uses the memory address to locate the data in the RAM and retrieves it. The retrieved data will then sent to the CPU for processing. One important thing to consider here is that the speed of the RAM determines how quickly and efficiently the computer can access the data quickly. The speed of the RAM is measured in megahertz, MHz, or gigahertz, GHz. It is refers to the frequency at which the RAM operates. The higher the frequency, the faster the RAM can access and process data. Now that we know what RAM is and how it works, let's talk about why it is so important. As I mentioned earlier, the RAM is a type of memory that temporarily stores data that the computer is actively using. This means that the more RAM you have, the more data that the computer can store and access quickly. Having enough RAM is crucial for running multiple applications smoothly. If your computer doesn't have enough RAM, as the computer struggles to keep up with the demand of programs and applications you are running. For example, if you are running multiple applications such as a web browser, a music player, and a word processor, in addition to running programs smoothly, having enough RAM is crucial. So, in conclusion, RAM is a critical component of your computer system. allowing you to access and process the data quickly and efficiently. As the technology continues to advance, the demand of more powerful computers will only increase, making RAM even more important. The next time